Hi students, welcome to Sri Guru Bio classes. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Okay. In this class, we are going to talk about some of the important concept based multiple choice questions for NEET, which is mainly related to the arrangement and function of teeth in human beings. Now let's come to the topic. As we know that teeth is one of the most important structures found in oral cavity of human beings. Generally, our teeth helps us to grind the food that we eat to make them smaller and easier to swallow. So, teeth play a major role in the process of digestion. Now, come to the arrangement of teeth. When we are observing that teeth in human beings, all the teeth is embedded in a socket of jaw. This type of arrangement are commonly called as thecodent. Thecodent is the process in which all the teeth are arranged into a socket of jaw bone. Next, majority of mammals, including human beings, forms two sets of teeth are in his life. This type of dentition is known as diphyodont. This process is commonly called as diphyodont. Generally, in human beings, two types of teeth are formed in his life. One is milk teeth, another one is permanent teeth. So that's why the human beings, the teeth are observed in these human beings are diphyodont type. Next, come to the number of teeth present in that human beings. An adult human has 32 teeth. Generally, these are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. All these four type of teeth are also, it is not in similar structure. So that's why these type of teeth are also commonly called as heterodont. These commonly call it as heterodont. Heterodont is commonly called as the teeth which is present in that organism are not in same structure or not in similar. So in human beings, when we are observing that canines, incisors, premolars and molars all are different shapes and structures. So that's why the teeth in human beings are commonly called as heterodont. Next, coming to that dental formula. Generally, arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw of that human beings are arranged of these teeth in order of incisors, canines, premolars and molars, like this manner. So this type of arrangement are commonly called as dental formula. So generally the dental formula represents the arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw. When we are observing that dental formula of human beings, generally the dental formula of human beings has two types. One is adult stage, in that second one is baby stage. When we are observing that adult stage, the dental formula as follows: 2 1 2 3 and 2 1 2 3. This is the dental formula observed in this adult human beings. So in that 2 represents incisors, 1 represents canines, 2 represents premolars and 3 represents molars. So 2 1 2 3 it is half, and 2 1 2 3 it is half of the upper and half of the lower jaw, which represent these teeth. Next, when we are coming to that baby, the dental formula which is in baby is 2102. Generally, the teeth which is present in that baby is 20 in number. These are represented in this upper and lower half jaws 2102 by 2102, like this. In this, 2 represents incisors, 1 represents canine, and 0 represents premolars, and 2 represents molars. So generally, in that baby, the premolar is absent in this baby teeth. So that's why the dental formula of this baby is represented as this 2102, like this. Generally, the third one is, this is the fourth one is the molars. Generally, when we are comparing to that human beings, which is 3 in number, when we coming to that babies, this represents 2 only. Generally, here the molar teeth appear very late in that adult stage. Approximately 21 years of age, the molars are coming into that human beings. So that's why these teeth are also commonly called as wisdom teeth. These teeth are also called it as wisdom teeth. So like these human beings, babies and adult human having this type of dental formula. So this is careful about that. When we represents the dental formula in that human beings, this is represented in 2 forms. One is adult and another one is baby, and also represented is 2123 by 2123, like this, half of the lower and half of the upper jaw only. Next, coming to that functioning of these different teeth present in that oral cavity. Next, coming to that incisors. Incisors is commonly called as front teeth. These are chisel shape. This is chisel in shape. Chisel shape are observed in this. Generally, which is useful for cutting and biting of this food material. Next, coming to that canines. Generally, this is dagger in shape. Generally, dagger shape. These are also helpful for tearing of that food materials. Next, coming to that premolars and molars. These two are commonly called as cheek teeth. Generally, which is help in grinding the food material. These play a major role in that chewing and grinding of that food materials. So this is the some important terminology and important points related to this teeth. Now let us see that some of the multiple choice questions related to this topic. Next, coming to that question, a baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? So, in this what happened? When we are comparing to that dental formula of this both adult and children's, generally what happened? Children's having only 20 teeth. So, among these 20 teeth, the dental formula of these children is 2 1 2 2 1 0 2 by 2 1 0 2. So here what happened? 2 represents, what is this? 2 represents incisors, 1 represents canines and 0 represents premolars. So when we are observing that children's, the premolars does not have these premolars. So what is the right answer here? Premolar is the right answers for this question. Next, coming to that next question. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition, is not having one of the following type of teeth. Generally this question is asked in that NEET UG in 2015 question paper. So what happened here? Primary dentition. So primary dentition means the teeth which are developed in that baby stage, that is commonly called as primary dentition. So after some times what happened? The primary dentition is replaced with the permanent dentitions. So here what is the difference between these two is, what they asked in here is not having one of the following type teeth. Not having means generally premolars is not having in this primary teeth. This is present in that permanent teeth. Okay. So third option is the right option for this question. Next, coming to that next question. Which of the following terms describe human dentition? So here they given some of the terms which is related to human dentition. So in that first option, thecodent. So thecodent means the teeth are arranged in a socket. Okay. Next, diphyodont. Diphyodont means the teeth are present in that human beings or replaced with permanent teeth. So two types of teeth are present in that human beings in his lifetime. So that's why we call it as diphyodont. Okay, right. This is also. Next, homodont. So homodont means the teeth which is present in that are same in nature. This is similar in all teeth. So when we are observing that human beings, the teeth are heterodont. Why? Because the teeth which is observed in human beings are different structures. It is not a similar. So this is the wrong answer. Next, coming to that second option, thecodont. Okay, right. Diphyodont. Okay, right. Two sets of teeth are present in that. Next, heterodont. These teeth are not similar in all. Okay. Next, coming to that third option, pleurodont. Pleurodont means here the teeth are not attached to this socket. These are weakly attached to that bones. So this is not in that human beings. Why? Because the teeth present in that human beings are embedded in a socket. Next, monophyodont. So monophyodont means only single set of teeth are present in that life of that organisms. Next, homodont. Homodont means same type of teeth are present in that. So this is also not correct. Now coming to that fourth option here, fluorodont. Fluorodont means acrodont or fluorodont. These are, what is this? No sockets is present in that. Diphyodont. Diphyodont means two sets of, okay, right, two set of teeth are present in that human being. Okay, this right. But heterodont, they given heterodont. What is that hetero? Homodont means similar. Heterodont means all the teeth are different. Okay. So here this is also correct. So when we are comparing this all, which is the right option here? The human teeth are thecodont type, diphyodont and heterodont. So these three are related to this human teeth. So that's why this is the second option is the right question for this. Right answer for this. Okay, right. Next, coming to that next question. The teeth which do not appear in MRI may be. So generally when we are going for diagnostics, so MRI play a major role in this. So in that MRI scan, these type of teeth are not detected. So which type of teeth? Generally MRI is mainly based on hydrogen atoms present in that cells. In this, generally human body is made up of 80% of water which contain hydrogen atoms. So the body parts which contains some less amount of water and some cells does not have water. So where the cells which having more water content, they are MRI scan capture more clear image. When there is no water or less amount of water, the MRI scan is not scanned properly. So generally among all these type of teeth, canines having less or no amount of water. So there is no water in these canines. So that's why they are not appear in that MRI scan. So the image is not appear clearly. Why? Because the water content is not there in that canines. So generally these having bone cells does not have water, so they have more bone cells have present in these canines. So that is canines is the right answer for this question. Next, coming to that next question. Mammalian teeth are. So already we are discussing about all these. Acrodont. So what is that acrodont? Acrodont means no sockets. The teeth are not embedded in a socket. So this is wrong option here. Homodont. So when we are observing the teeth observed in that human beings, this is not in same. So that's why homodont are also not correct. Next, thecodont. Thecodont means what happened? The teeth are embedded in the socket. So this is the right option. Next, polyphyodont. Polyphyodont means what? Teeth are continuously replaced with. So more number of teeth are formed in that life of this organism. So this is commonly called as polyphyodont. So human beings, these are not observed in this polyphyodont of teeth. So generally the human beings are observed comes under this thecodont type. So these are the some of the important questions related to this